Hey everybody, we're working on the Jeep today. The exhaust system has decided to leak and throwing O2 codes and such things on the TJ. And whatever you guys do, please don't. I don't know why it would leak. How could this possibly leak with all this really nice, whatever, splattery weld? Yeah, how could that possibly leak? Okay, so we got the old piece out. It's seen better days. Somebody definitely was trying to get it together when they got it together, and it worked for a while. I mean, they tried. But, yeah. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to make one of those out of this chunk of aluminum here. We got it on our little mini lathe mill smithy thing. Drilled this hole. These holes were already in it, but that'll be alright. And we're going to take our 2.5-inch hole saw, log a hole through the center, and then I think I'm going to cut it in half one way or another and make it so it's a two-piece, run some bolts through the sides to bolt them back together. At least that's the plan. But wish me luck. If anything, we're going to cut it in half and just let each of these bolts kind of suck it down until I can find a replacement. It's a Sunday, nobody's open, and I'd like to be able to drive the Jeep. So we're just going to make something. Alright, when we get some more to make, we'll show you where we end up. Alright everybody, well, we got our fabric hobbling done, and it's up in there. Let me see if I can get the flashlight up in here so I can show you what we got going on here, maybe. Come on. Flashlight. Cooperate. There we go. Alright. So what we got going on, so we cut the circle out where I left you guys off. Then I chucked it into the lathe and rounded the corners off all the way around. Then we sliced her in two. Well, before I sliced it, we drilled and tapped through here and the reverse up here going the other way. Sliced it in two, put it up into place, bolted it back together, and then bolted into the factory holes in the manifold, and it sucked this thing down. It don't go anywhere. It's solid now. And with that, we don't leak anymore. We're not getting oxygen sensor codes. The whole situation is improved. Actually getting better mileage because it's actually getting a correct fuel mixture. It's going pretty good. But that's where we got to with that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Hope this helps somebody. All right, later. There's a different angle looking at it. It's one of them deals. To put the proper piece on there, you'd have to take the exhaust apart, and it's just been on there long enough and it's rusted just enough. It's not going to come apart and go back together friendly. So this was the easy fix. I could just pull the old piece off. This one, make it in a clamshell out of two pieces. Can bolt it right in there and fix the problem and not create any more problems. With that, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.